Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
Come along with us as we show you our King Panoramic room here at the Wynn.
It has quite the view. Let's go.
Here we go.
All right, this is room 3647. We are on the 36th floor. As you walk in, you'll notice directly to your left is going to be a bathroom. On your left-hand side, you've got a shower. There is amazing water pressure. I will say that. The tub is nice and deep. There are no jets in this tub though. That's the only downside to that. But the vanity area is very nice. It does come with a stool in case you need to sit and do your makeup or whatever. Lots of towels, blow dryer. Over here you got your bathroom or your toilet room. Pretty standard. There is a TV in the side of the wall, which is, I guess, nice. I don't think we've ever really used it too much other than maybe for music. You do have ropes behind the door. Over here you got a really nice long full-length mirror. Left-hand side you've got a good-sized closet. You have the safe that's in the wall. So not the perfect one, but you do also have an ironing board. Once again, this is a Panoramic King at Wynn. You've got some nice art on the wall. End table, couch. On the left side here, you've got nightstands on each side with clocks, which is nice. King size bed. Definitely nice. There's lots of plugins. Decent amount of drawer space in this room. You have a TV probably around the 50-inch mark. Drawers on the right, on the left-hand side, is where your minibar area is. Not sure if there's any use for this drawer, but minibar is right there. All your expensive nuts and candies. Thermostat is right here. We do have a strip view, so I'll show you that once we get done with this. But the lighting gets weird if we had those open. Nice little table area. We actually have had some late night eats there, so that comes in handy. Here you've got your desk with a phone, and then Alexa, open the shears. So this part is definitely nice. You got an Alexa in the room. And then you could do, Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
There you go. How about that transition? It's like next level editing. But there you got a view of the high roller, Palazzo. You can see the Rio off in the distance, Mirage, Treasure Island, and then Trump Tower over here. Fashion Show Mall right there. And right down there is actually the Lake of Dreams show. So every 30 minutes after, I think after 6 or 6:30 until 11:30, you can watch the show from your room. Pretty sweet room.